Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to download the cobblemon modpack on curseforge. This is actually super simple, and only an idiot wouldn't understand how to do this. The first thing you want to do is type curseforge into Google and click on the first link. Then you want to click on the box in the top right that says Get Curseforge app. Make sure to download the standalone app.
Oh my god!
Once you save the file, open the installer and press Next and Next. Then the installation will start. Once CurseForge opens, muhahahaha, click Browse and type Cobblemon in the search bar.
Press Install on the first result and wait for it to download. Once it's done downloading, this is the most important part, guys. Go back to my mod packs, select the mod pack, and go to Profile Options. Follow what I do. This will allocate more RAM to the mod pack.现在你已经准备好和你的朋友一起玩了，